Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a zoom effect in Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your laptop or desktop. On the home page, click on Video and then select Video Landscape so you can start with a blank video template. This will open up a new editing workspace where we'll add our zoom effect. Now head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type whatever kind of video you want. For example, I'll type mountain, but you can search for anything like city, waves, or nature. Once the results appear, make sure you tap on the Videos category. Select a video that you like and it will appear on your main canvas. Resize it to fit the entire frame if needed. Now we're going to create the zoom in effect. To do that, right-click on the video and choose Split. This will cut your video into 2 or more sections. You can split it wherever you want the zoom effect to begin and end, for example, in the middle of the video. Next, select the second clip, the one after your split, and double-click on it. You'll see a blue border appear around the video. Now, slightly increase the size of the video by dragging its corners outward. This creates the zoom-in illusion. When you play the video from start to end, you'll notice that the first clip plays normally, and then when it transitions to the next section, the video appears zoomed in, just like a professional camera zoom effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy Canva and editing tutorials.